Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Kelly. Hi, if you're new, I'd love if you guys hit that subscribe button down below along with the little bell notification. That way you can get notified the next time I upload my newest video. And today I'm finally sharing my makeup collection with you guys. I asked you guys in my room tour video, and if you guys haven't seen that, I'll insert a card so you can check it out. A lot of you guys asked to see my makeup collection after watching that, and I'm so excited to share it with you guys. It is like right behind me and I'm just so excited to get into it. As my channel's been growing, I've been getting onto makeup companies' PR list, and my makeup collection really has started to grow a lot in the last year. Like honestly, like a year ago I did not have this much makeup. It's just because my channel's growing and everything, which I'm so beyond grateful for, and I can't thank you guys enough for subscribing and watching my videos. So thank you so much. I love you guys all so much. But let's just get into this video. I'm so excited. I'm just gonna give you guys a little overview of my makeup collection real quick. So I just have these cute little drawers and the cups and everything, and it's just like this. And in my room tour video, my computer's actually over here, but I switched it onto my other desk just because of the holidays and my holiday decorations. So we're gonna start over where almost everything is. So I have this little cup right here, and it's actually like 2 cups in one, and I bought all of these acrylic things from TJ Maxx, so I don't have a link to them, but they're so cute and they were so affordable. So I just keep all of my concealers in here. So I just have the Heart Shape Tape, I have this CoverGirl Ready Set Gorgeous concealer, I have my favorite Alame concealer that's great with blemishes, I have my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind, my NYX Wonder Stick, which is great for contouring, and then I just have this little CoverGirl concealer stick, which is great with blemishes as well. Then I keep all of my BB creams in here. So this is the CoverGirl BB cream. I have quite a few of them in different shades just because of tanner and stuff. And then my other one is this Neutrogena Healthy Glow one. I don't use foundation, so I just use BB creams. And then this set of drawers is actually 2 different little things. I just stacked them on top of each other. So in the back here, I just keep all of my brushes. So a lot of these are from Real Techniques, and then I have a lot from e.l.f. as well. And then I just keep my like eyeliners and eyebrow pencils and some setting spray in here and a brow pencil, and then I have some tweezers like sitting on this, which I find really helpful. So these are just from Real Techniques, and this one is from Revlon. Then I just have a little makeup sponge. This is from Real Techniques as well. Then I just have some unopened ones right here, and next to that I just keep my moisturizer and this Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser back here. And in this little section, this is honestly like a hot mess. So I just have an eyeshadow palette from Tarte, this brow palette from Profusion, and then some of my fake eyelashes and some eyelash glue. And then right under here, these are so cute, but this needs to go somewhere else because I just set them here. And these are little nail monograms, so you can peel them off and like put them on top of your nails, and they're so stinking cute, you guys. I will have these listed down below if you guys want to check them out. And then in this drawer, I just keep some eyeshadows. So these are from Pixie. These were from my first PR package that I've ever got, and it's like a liquid eyeshadow that's super sparkly. They came in a bunch of different shades. Then I just have some Bare Minerals eyeshadow, a ColourPop one, this Maybelline one, and then I have this eyeshadow palette that my cousin got me. How pretty these colors are. I really need to try using this one. But I'm still very new to makeup. I don't really use this all of the time. And then into this little drawer organizer, it splits into 2. So I keep all of my mascaras in here, and I do have a brow gel in here from Profusion Cosmetics as well. So I just have this deck of Scarlet one, like a Revlon, I have Maybelline, and then I have this L'Oreal one. Honestly, I love drugstore makeup products. They're just so inexpensive and they work so well. So I just have a bunch of mascaras. Then I have all of my highlights in here, and I'm going to pull this out to show you guys what's inside of here. So I have my NYX Born to Glow highlight, which I feel like this is a great dupe for the High Beam highlight by Benefit. And then I just have this little highlight. This came with a like set, and I just liked the highlight so much that I took it out. And this was from Doll Up Beauty, which is an Instagram makeup company. They sent me stuff, and they also sent me this really pretty blush. Then I just have this blush from Bare Minerals, a highlight from them, and then I have this little other highlight one, and this one is so pretty. It's like the perfect shade. Then I just have this e.l.f. highlight as well, and 2 of these Pixie ones. I got sent these, and they're my go-to favorite highlight. And then my number 1 highlight is this Wet n Wild highlight stick, and this works wonders, you guys. It's literally $2 at Walgreens, and I like to put that on underneath any of my other highlights, and it just adds that perfect glow. And that just goes right back in there. And these drawers are so nice. So this one just has all of my lip products. And I have quite a few of these because they're so easy to pick up. But also, Pixi sent me a whole line of every shade of their lipsticks, which is so crazy to me. So I have a ton of these lipsticks from Pixi. This one is my absolute favorite. It is called Pastel Petal. And it's just like the perfect mauvey nude color. So then it just came with like a hot pink. We have a classic red. This is another favorite of mine. This is the Revlon Ultra HD matte lipstick. And I have the other shade. This is the one I wear a lot. This is more of like a nude color, which I absolutely love. So these two are great drugstore lipstick. Then I just have this Bare Minerals lip gloss. I have my Kylie lip kit, and I also have one of her lip glosses as well. This is in Candy K, and then this gloss is in the shade So Cute. Really like those colors. I have some matte lipsticks from Dollop Beauty. That's this one and this one. And these are a great dupe for the Kylie lip kit. Then I have a Profusion lipstick, and then it came with a gloss, and then also came with a lip liner. This comes in a set of 3. You can get them at Target. I have some more Pixi lipsticks, and then I have this really fun red glossy lipstick that I like to put on top of my red lipstick. And then this sparkly lip gloss. I think this is from Revlon. I wore this to my senior prom, and it's just so cute. Then over here I keep a lot of the smaller products. One is hot pink. It's from MAC. My best friend got it for me, and it is just so pretty. I have yet to wear it. I'm a little nervous too, but it's so cute. Then I just have this Tarte lip paint, like the Tartiest lip paint, I think that's what it's called. It is the perfect like fall color just because it is so dark. I'm not really sure of the shade of that. It came with a little lip set. And then I have this Revlon lipstick, and this is really pretty. I think I wore this to one of my dances as well, and it's just like a really sparkly pink. I have my go-to red lipstick. This is from the brand Kate. I think it's by Revlon as well. It's just like a classic red. And then I just have a bunch of lip glosses in here, you guys. These are from Bare Minerals. I got them in a Christmas set. I have some little Bare Minerals lipsticks as well, and then this like super fun gloss from Forever 21. So I'm just going to put all of these back in here real quick. Okay, and then in my last little drawer in here, this is honestly the most random one. So I just keep some of my bigger like palettes in here. So I have this Profusion eye palette, and I have been loving this. It came with their holiday collection, and I just love how pretty all of these colors are. Look how beautiful they are. They're just like the perfect rose gold, red and oranges, and they're just so great for the holidays. Love this palette. It reminds me a lot of the Naked palette packaging and everything. Then I have my Maybelline Fit Me blush. Honestly, I don't really wear blush as much as I used to. I think I bought this like a year ago, and I haven't really used it since then. And then I have my e.l.f. bronzer, and it's, again, very used, but I really like it because it's only $1 and it's so affordable. And I just have my NYX HD Studio Finish, and this is great for baking your face. And then I have my favorite Wet n Wild contouring palette. I have this one that's like almost emptied, but I bought this one for Instagram videos just so it looks new and everything. And that is everything that's in these two. And then I go over to this, and I have this cute little acrylic like bucket. So it has 3 different separate containers and then one big one in the back, and it has this little handle you can carry it around, which I think is so funny. So I just keep a little portable mirror in here. I have a light lotion, and my aunt got me this for Christmas one year. Then I have the Beautiful Brows by Profusion. This is from their new collection. And I also keep their Pro Pigment palette back here. This one, the hot pink, is just beautiful, but I usually stay more towards these colors. But I really like this palette. Their palettes like this are amazing, and they have like a little more detailed instructions on the back, which is always helpful. And then in this container, I just have the rest of those Pixi lipsticks just because they sent me so many of them. And these are like the more fun, bold shades that I don't really wear every single day, but I do like wearing them. Like there's a really fun bright red one in here. They're just really fun colors. And then I have my little tanning section. So I just have my Sally Hansen spray on legs, and then my Saint Tropez like tinting moisturizer. Love those products. And then I just have some Pixi Glow Tonic and the Rose Tonic in here. These are like the travel sizes. And then I have my chapstick because I put this on so often. I just wanted it in like an easy to reach spot. Keep that right next to this one. And then the last thing in here in my makeup collection are my palettes, and these are all from Profusion. So I have my Profusion Blush and Glow palette, and these colors are just gorgeous. Then I have this one, and this is from their new holiday collection. So this is just all of their like new shades, and look how pretty they are, you guys. I haven't used this one yet, but I'm excited to because they're so bold and they're just gorgeous. So then I have this one, and I have been using this one like crazy, and this one is perfect for me because it's so neutral. It's easy as a beginner to use, and I just love all the warm tones. And the last palette in here is my Sculpt and Glow palette, which I use this every single day. I love the bronzers in it, and I also really like this dark contour and this light one as well. And then there are little highlights up at the top. And then this little clear organizer, again, is from TJ Maxx, and I like to put this one backwards so it looks cute from behind. And I just stack them up like that. I figured that was like the cutest way to store these palettes. Then I just have my little makeup mirror, which is from TJ Maxx. I keep a little coaster with my drink on here. I got my Christmas snow globe. And then in this drawer of my desk, I just keep all of my nail polishes. But that is everything. Here's a little overview. And I'm just like so grateful for everything. I've been getting so into makeup lately. It's so much fun. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up if you guys did. Let me know in the comments down below what your favorite makeup company is, because I would love to know. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, thank you so much for everything. You guys are seriously so amazing. I hope you're having a wonderful day. And if you haven't already, definitely hit that subscribe button down below. That way you can get notified the next time I upload my newest video. And I'll see you guys very soon. Bye guys!